Human cloning is a topic that sparks both fascination and fear. As technology advances, the possibility of creating a human clone becomes more realistic. But what exactly is human cloning, and what are the implications of this technology? In this video, we'll explore the top 10 things you need to know about human cloning. Point number 1. What is human cloning? Human cloning involves creating a genetically identical copy of a human being. This can be done through reproductive cloning, where a cloned embryo is implanted into a womb and carried to term. Point number 2. Types of human cloning. There are two main types of human cloning: reproductive cloning and therapeutic cloning. Reproductive cloning aims to create a fully formed human clone, while therapeutic cloning focuses on creating stem cells for medical research. Point number 3. The science behind cloning. Cloning involves taking the DNA from an adult cell and transferring it into an egg cell. The egg is then stimulated to divide and develop into an embryo. Point number 4. Cloning is not perfect. Cloning is a complex process, and the success rate is relatively low. Cloned animals often suffer from health problems and genetic abnormalities. Point number 5. Human cloning is still in its infancy. While animal cloning has been successful, human cloning is still in its experimental stages. Many scientists believe that human cloning is not yet safe or practical. Point number 6. The ethics of cloning. Human cloning raises significant ethical concerns. Some people believe that cloning is morally wrong, while others see it as a potential solution for infertility or medical research. Point number 7. Cloning and identity. Cloning raises questions about identity and individuality. Would a cloned human being have their own identity, or would they be a copy of the original person? Point number 8. Cloning and free will. Cloning also raises questions about free will and determinism. Would a cloned human being have the same free will as the original person, or would their actions be predetermined? Point number 9. The potential benefits of cloning. Cloning could potentially revolutionize medicine and help us understand human development. It could also provide a solution for infertility and allow us to study genetic diseases. Point number 10. The future of cloning. The future of human cloning is uncertain. While some scientists believe that cloning will become a reality, others are more skeptical. As technology advances, we'll need to consider the implications of cloning and whether it's something we want to pursue. Conclusion: human cloning is a complex and multifaceted topic. While it raises significant ethical concerns, it also has the potential to revolutionize medicine and our understanding of human development. As we move forward, it's essential to consider the implications of cloning and have an open and informed discussion about its potential benefits and risks. What do you think about human cloning? Do you believe it's a technology that could benefit humanity, or do you think it's morally wrong? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Expand your knowledge. Subscribe to Science Realm for more in-depth science content, and stay curious.